Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up building an emergency fund for deductibles with SoFi, beginner guide step by step clearly. Establishing an emergency fund for deductibles is an essential financial step. First, determine the total amount needed for potential deductibles. Consider the types of insurance you have, such as health, auto, or homeowners. Calculate the deductible amounts for each policy to get a clear picture. Next, set a specific savings goal. Aim to cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of deductibles. This will give you a sufficient safety net for unexpected expenses. After setting your goal, open a dedicated savings account. Choose an account with no monthly fees and high interest rates. SoFi offers user-friendly options that can help you reach your savings goals. Once the account is set up, create a budget. Identify your monthly income and expenses to find extra savings. Look for areas where you can cut back, even if it's just a small amount. Automate your savings by setting up recurring transfers. Decide on a fixed amount to transfer to your emergency fund each month. This makes saving consistent and removes the temptation to spend that money. Review your budget regularly to adjust your savings plan. As your financial situation changes, so should your contributions. If you receive bonuses or extra income, consider adding that to your fund. Monitor the growth of your emergency fund on a monthly basis. Assess whether you're on track to meet your savings goal. Adjust your plan as necessary, depending on any new expenses or income changes. Educate yourself on best practices for managing your fund. Knowing about interest rates and inflation will help you make informed decisions. Explore options within SoFi and other financial platforms. Finally, celebrate milestones as you reach specific amounts. Recognizing your progress will keep you motivated to continue saving. Building an emergency fund is a significant step towards financial security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.